The hippocampus is another part of the cortex. And let me turn my drawing tool. And we can see how the hippocampus is continuous. Here's our 6-layered cortex out here, and it curls around, and then bingo, we're right in the 3-layered cortex of the hippocampus. So the hippocampus is this entire structure here. Okay. Archicortex, 3 layers, it's very, very old. The hippocampus is necessary for the formation of new memories. So damage to the hippocampus means you will have an anterograde amnesia. You may have heard of the patient named HM. HM, unfortunately, had really severe epilepsy, and it didn't respond to drugs. And so what they did was they went into HM's temporal lobe to remove the focal lesion that was causing all of his seizures. And when they did that, they removed both of, or most of both of his hippocampuses, or hippocampi. From that day on, once he recovered, HM could make no new memories. He remembered everything that happened before the surgery, but he could not remember for more than a couple of minutes anything new that happened to him on a daily basis. There are all kinds of literature about this patient, and I think there may be even a book about him out there that you could look up. But it's really quite amazing that yeah, he couldn't form any new memories. Really sad. So the hippocampus lives right behind the amygdala. So amygdala here, and then hippocampus here. It forms the floor of the inferior horn of your lateral ventricle, and it's continuous with the cortex of your temporal lobe. In the next segment of the lecture, we'll talk more about the hippocampus, the subdivisions of the hippocampus, and its connectivity.